Hubert Maga, August 10, 1916 to May 7, 2000, was a political figure from Benin who played a significant role in the country's struggle for independence and later served as its first president. Here is a brief biography of Hubert Maga. Early life. Hubert Maga was born in Parakou, a city in northern Benin, which was then part of French West Africa. He received his education in Dahomey, now Benin, and later studied in France. Political activism. Maga became involved in politics during the era of French colonial rule. He joined the Dahomeyan Democratic Rally, RDD, a political party advocating for greater representation and autonomy. He was elected to the French National Assembly in 1946, representing Dahomey. Independence struggle. Maga was a key figure in the movement for Dahomey's independence from French colonial rule. In 1957, Dahomey became an autonomous republic within the French community, and Maga served as the country's first prime minister. Presidency. When Dahomey gained full independence from France on August 1, 1960, Hubert Maga became the country's first president. He served as president from 1960 to 1963. Challenges and political changes. Maga faced political challenges, including economic difficulties and tensions with other political figures. In 1963, he was overthrown in a coup led by Christophe Soglo and subsequently went into exile. Later years. Maga spent years in exile, mainly in France, following his ousting from power. He returned to Benin in the 1990s, after the country underwent significant political changes, including the end of Marxist-Leninist rule. Legacy. Hubert Maga's legacy is complex, reflecting both his contributions to the independence struggle and the challenges faced during his presidency. He is remembered as one of the founding fathers of independent Benin. Death. Hubert Maga passed away on May 7, 2000, in Parakou, Benin. Hubert Maga's role in the political history of Benin, from the struggle for independence to his presidency, is significant. While his time in power was relatively short, his contributions to the early political landscape of independent Benin remain part of the nation's history.